Hi, today we will sign up on Formatic by using Google account. So first of all, user will click on sign up for free today button, and then you can see 3 steps. By using these 3 steps you can use Formatic. First of all, you need to sign up on Formatic, and then you will link your Formatic account with Google account, and after linking of your Formatic account with Google, you can fetch Google Forms list and Google Sheet list. So get started with a free trial now. When we click on it, we will land on app.myformatic.com page, and here we can sign up by using Google. So we will just click on sign in with Google, and we will choose the Google account. By using this account we will sign up on Formatic. So we have successfully logged in. By default our free plan will be subscribed, and now we can create 2 flowboards. 2 flowboards means 2 forms or 2 Google Sheets. So by clicking on Google Forms, we will redirect on the auth screen. By linking this auth screen, we can fetch all forms list and sheet list of this Google account. So we have this client ID of our auth screen project 9469391383229. So this is our client ID. So when we click on this account, we can link our Google account with Formatic. So basically we have sent all the information of this auth screen to Google in Google Console project. You can see the screenshot of that screen. We have sent app name, which is Formatic, and also support email, and also app logo and application home link. All things we have sent to Google. Now it's on Google end that they will add these things on our this constant auth screen, because we have no access to add these things directly on this screen. So we have submitted to Google, so Google should approve our application and apply the names of Formatic here, and also the logo and all things. So we are accessing the Google Drives, forms and sheets. So basically see these 2 services to which myformatic.com has some access. So these are the associate you with your personal info on Google. See your primary Google account email address. So we will continue on it. So after continuing, we can create Google form. So when we click on, now our Google account is authenticated with Formatic, so all the forms list are appearing here. User can choose any form and give a form name, and when they click on save data, Formatic will fetch all the data of job application form from Google to Formatic local database. Here we can map, set the title and the first name. These are all the headers of our forms, so we can set. So when we click on job application, we can see the databases, all entries of that form that is saved on Google. So we have fetched from Google to Formatic, and now the all data is saved in Formatic local database. So here we can add a to-do list, if user want to set 1 row entry as a task, they can set, and in this list they will set the title, description and the reminder, the time they have set. They will get a notification before this task, the due date and due time, everything they can set. And also they can set the they can edit the things, like we are fetching the responses of forms, so they can edit by clicking on any field. But these all things will be saved in local database of Formatic. These changes are not implementing on the Google side. Like Google side, things will remain the same, but on the Formatic local databases, these things will be updated. So user can search and can assign any label to any input field. Labels are here, we have a test2 word. So if you want to set this field as a meaningful, you can assign any label. So we'll just click on it. So now anywhere in this table test2 will appear, the background color will be changed because we have set this background color in our database. So this is the usage of user, that front-end user will manage this data for their task reminder, for making any value meaningful. These things they are front-end users can be used. So same thing, we are converting it as a board like flow board. Each entry will become a card. This is our board. So when you click on this board, you can see all the entries as a card. So you can manage your entries here as a card. So you can set any option, you can update, and same functionality you can perform here. Due date, labels, attach file. You can attach any file to this entry, but it will attach on the Formatic and it is not attaching on the Google side. So everything from Google side, we are just fetching the data. We are not saving the data on Google side. We are just saving on Formatic. And you can download the PDF, like this card entry you can download in PDF. Because my package is basic package, that's why Formatic is not allowing me to download it as a PDF. So we can archive this card, like in the main flow board this card will not show, it will be hide, but you can unarchive. When you click on unarchive, you can revert your card on the main database, and you can delete this card as well from the Formatic database, but it will not delete it from the Google side. So this is the functionality of Google Forms. Same functionality is for Google Sheets. When user click on the Google Sheets, all the sheets of that authenticated accounts are fetched here in a list. So you can choose any sheet and can assign to Formatic. You can set the title of the card which will appear here. These are the title that we are setting in the mapping form. So because I am using the basic package, so in basic package we can only use 25 cards. So that's why system is prompting a message that you have reached your card limit. So I have integrated my Google Sheet. So Google Sheets, each entry is considering a card. So we can manage these cards. We can create another list. So users can move these cards from one list to second list. So this is just for Formatic and like moving the cards, deleting the cards. Each card is represent each entry of form, each entry of Google Sheet. So we are just fetching the data from Google Forms, Google Sheets, not entering, not giving back, sending back the data to Google. So that's the main idea of our Formatic. So actually Google is replying us that we are not adding the we are not following the brandings of auth screen. So I would like to confirm that we have added the Formatic name, app name, and their logo and all information and privacy policy links, all things we have mentioned and submitted in our Google console project. But now it's on the Google side that they will approve the all the things and mention on the auth screen. So that was the main idea of our project. Thank you.